But where is the award Wapsi brigade today? Where is the award Wapsi brigade today? Where is the lobby that bats for Afzal Guru, Sambit Patra? Is that not a relevant question? Where is the lobby?
Yes.
Where is the lobby who supports Ishrat Jahan?
Everyone knows what the truth is, yet no one wants to speak. The problem is, in this art of being politically correct, we do not want to deliver what the reality is. We don't want to call the spade a spade, because most in this country want to be only politically correct, not really correct. Let me tell you, who does not know the truth? Who does not know the truth about these pseudo-secularists? Who does not know the truth about these not in my name award Wapsi gang? That these are people who pick and choose, who are selective. And I have always called them Rudalis. Why do I call them Rudalis? I call them Rudalis because they don't have emotion for any reason. They get paid for everything. They get paid for everything. They want to know about the religion, the caste of a dead body. And if they find the caste of the dead body, the religion of the dead body suits their cause, then they would beat their chest, they would cry. But if they find that the dead body's religion does not suit them, they would stop crying and they would call for a propaganda. This is what Rudali gang is all about.
You know what? Just a minute. Taslim Rahmani, is it an accident? Is it an accident or a fact? Is it
what action has been taken within last 26 hours?
It takes so much of time to convince you with the hashtag that I stand with Amarnath. Does this take all this amount of energy to convince you with a simple thing that we all have to stand with Amarnath? If someone wants the simple thing, you would keep on speaking. You should all be standing in solidarity with it. Rather than that, the kind of hypocrisy that you all are oozing out today is a shame for this country.
Will you say?
You have selective attitude. You pick and choose on the name of religion.
Government hypocrisy.
One second.
I ask you, do you remember the name of a single victim who has been killed in Amarnath Yatra? Who has been killed in Bengal? No. Everyone in this country knows about Junaid. Everyone in this country knows about Akhlaq. And rightly so. Nothing like that happened. But none of you are doing.
There is one thing. The questions are making people uncomfortable, but let me follow them up anyway. Is it an accident or a coincidence? Is it an accident or a coincidence? What are you saying? Again, you're shouting Syed Babar. What's the problem?
This is a plan.
What's the problem, Syed Babar?
Yeah, listen. I have a friend. He's a lawyer. He was using Facebook only. He's implicated by friends. He's implicated in things not too.
Pakistan ka khata hai, and such people have to be exposed. Such people have to be exposed. The handful of these Gaddars in Kashmir are bringing a bad name to Kashmir, and these Gaddars have to be exposed.
बात करने दें से
क्यों बात कर रहे हैं आप? हिंदुस्तान से बात करिए और बताइए आप कितने बड़े गद्दार हैं। आप जब फ्लड में बह जा रहे थे तो इंडियन आर्मी ने आपको बचाया, और आज आप यहाँ गद्दारी कर रहे हैं।
तहरीक आजादी है हिंदुस्तान।
अरे नस फट जाएगा, इतना मत चिल्लाइए। ना अरे Mr. Goswami, let me tell you, this Gaddar, he was justifying what is happening in Amarnath right now because he was into a whataboutery. He was saying, so what about Amarnath? We had people blinded during the pellet stones. We had people blinded during the army raid. So what about this Amarnath? Did you condemn the little girl getting blinded? So when you did not condemn, why should I condemn? So that was the attitude of this Gaddar.
I think the clearest and greatest answer. I'll tell you, Syed Qadri, I have some good news for you.
Mr. Goswami, let me...
Just one minute at the end. The best news that I got today was that the largest after the attack, viewers, people came together, the Yatris, and today, this morning, 3,289 pilgrims in one batch left from Jammu. You know something, Syed Babar Qadri, this was the biggest, massive slap, SLAP, slap in the face of the terror proxies, the terrorists and their apologists. All of India, across all of India, more and more people came in for the Yatra. You relax. That is the resilience of this country. I thank you very much for joining me in debate number 2 tonight. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you tomorrow. Till tomorrow, good night and goodbye.